So today I'm going to tell you a perfect recipe for a lazy Sunday afternoon. My Sundays are super lazy because I tend to sleep in a little late, and this recipe that I'm going to tell you about is basically you can make something out of the leftovers that you have from the previous days. Just a bunch of veggies and some rice. Yes, I'm talking about egg fried rice. So let's get on with the recipe. I've already heated my pan here. Going to take some oil, spread it on it. We'll let it heat a bit. I've got a few eggs here. Just crack them open. Just add a little bit of salt. Just put a little bit of pepper on top as well. And now just mix it. You're basically making a scramble out of it. There, we're almost done. Just make sure it's evenly cooked, because this will go on the rice. So our egg scramble is ready. Let's just keep this aside. Moving on to the rice now. Heat a little bit of oil. Not a lot, just a bit. So our kadhai and our oil is hot. We'll go ahead and add some onions. Saute your onion, make sure it's a little translucent. You can see how the onion is getting cooked. It's getting a little soft. After that, I'm going to add a little bit of green chilies. Not a lot, I'm not a big spice fan. But again, this can be according to your taste. Make it your recipe. Right, now that my onion is translucent and the green chilies are mixed well, I'll go ahead and add my carrots. See that burst of color? Egg fried rice is something where you can add a bunch of veggies. Again, these are the veggies of my preferences. Go ahead and go crazy with yours. It's all coming together really well. Now I'll go ahead and I'll add my capsicum. Now capsicum does not take a lot of time to cook, so that is why we add it towards the end. Now just so that it cooks evenly, what I'll do is I'll add a little bit of salt. So what that does is it releases the water. Give it a good mix. Go ahead and add a little bit of garlic. The smell, guys. Garlic is the magic actually. Now we'll go ahead and add a little bit of soy sauce. Not a lot, just a little. Now go ahead and give it a good mix. So I have my leftover rice over here. I'll go ahead and add it inside. Now remember, if you're making fresh rice, it's very important to air it out. Otherwise it becomes very mushy and it does not really mix well. See how it's coming together so well? So now my rice is already mixed well with the vegetables. Now I'll just go ahead and taste a little bit so that I know that my seasoning is alright. Little bit of more salt. There it is. Just give it a good mix. So my fried rice is ready. I'll go ahead and add the scrambled eggs in. Make sure I mix it well, so it's spread evenly all across the rice. Coming really well together and looks really colorful. So there you go, my perfect lazy Sunday afternoon recipe is ready to be served, and I'm sure you can feed a lot of hungry friends just by this. Super easy, no muss, no fuss. Enjoy, guys.
Friday night calls for some friends, some chilled beer, and what goes the best with chilled beer is some chili chicken. I know you can take care of the beer on your end, let me take care of the chili chicken for you. Let's get started. So to make a chili chicken, सबसे पहले हम इस bowl में कुछ chopped chicken लेंगे. We are using chicken breast here. हमने इसमें chicken डाल दिया. We're gonna add some ginger paste, some fresh garlic paste. We're gonna break one egg in, and we're gonna take little salt. We'll put in little pepper. अब हम इसको अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लेंगे. Now one very important part of this marinade is the corn flour. अगर आप corn flour नहीं डालेंगे तो आपका चिकन फ्राई होने के बाद perfectly crispy नहीं बनेगा. In case you don't have some corn flour at home, you can simply use some rice flour, some maida, or even some besan. They all can give crispiness to your chicken. Mix it up well. Now that our chicken is marinated, we are going to cover it and refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours so it soaks in all the flavors well. It's been an hour and a half since our chicken has been resting in the fridge. अब हमने इसको बाहर निकाल लिया है and I think now we are ready to fry it. We are going to fry it till it's golden brown in color. मैंने यहाँ पे कढ़ाई में कुछ oil heat कर लिया है. Now let's just fry this chicken. I'm going to test it with one piece to make sure that the oil is perfectly hot. I think this is good. I'm going to add more pieces of the chicken in. They go in the oil, and I'm going to get a plate with some absorbent paper or a tissue paper ready for us to take out the fried chicken onto it. अब हम देख सकते हैं कि हमारा जो चिकन है, it's perfectly golden brown. Look at this. It's nice, crisp, beautiful in color. And because of the fact that it is this perfect color, we also are sure that our chicken is now perfectly cooked. Onto the absorbent paper. Now that our chicken is fried, we have to make one last quick pit stop at this pan and we will be good to go. In this hot pan, I am going to take some oil and we have to make sure that the oil is also really hot. This is something very very important while cooking Chinese food. अगर आपका pan hot होगा, तो vegetables will be cooked only from the outside and inside it will still be fresh and crunchy, just the way Chinese cook it. Now, what I'm gonna add is some cut onions. We're gonna cook them till they're translucent. And with these onions, we're gonna add our slit chilies. Toss them up well. अब मैं इसमें डालूंगा कुछ कैप्सिकम. Again, all we want is capsicum हल्का सा oil और heat से coat हो जाए. We don't want to really cook it. Now इसमें all we now simply need to do is put in some soy sauce. Toss it very very well. And you must remember that soy sauce has its own natural salty taste. So at this stage you do not need to add much salt. I'm gonna add some vinegar. It's gonna give us the little tang to our spicy chicken. Just toss it a bit. And in go our chicken pieces. Toss it up well, put it well with the sauce and let the soy sauce dry out a bit. Till the time it's getting dried out, let me tell you something interesting about Chinese food. Now Chinese food is available at every nook and corner that you might find in our country. And the reason is that Chinese food is the most versatile kind of cuisine which can adapt any local ingredients and still come up with their own Chinese style recipes. Our chili chicken is looking good. We're gonna garnish it with some freshly chopped spring onions. Look at that beauty. And we are done.